This is how to factory reset, hard reset. This is the Cricut Icon 3. Looks like this, rectangular camera, Cricut on the back, and this is how we do it. We're going to hold volume up and power at the exact same time, hold volume up a little bit sooner. Let go with both as soon as we see the little menu in the center. Let's use only volume up to make that arrow point to recovery mode, and now volume down for OK. And it just takes a few seconds for the No Command Fallen Android to show up. At the No Command Fallen Android, hold down power, quick touch volume up, and we're in the Android recovery menu. From here, use volume to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Press OK with power. One more time, wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Choose factory data reset, press OK with power. And now we're going to wait here about 10 seconds for the data wipe to be complete. It might be longer on your phone if you have a lot of data on yours. And the data wipe is complete. Now it is safe to reboot the system by pressing power. Keep in mind, if you have set up your Cricut Icon 3 with your Google or your Gmail account, you will 100% need your Google or Gmail account, especially if you've turned on the security measure called Find My Device when you power back on the phone to use it again. So keep that in mind before you factory reset it. Hey, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. And if you want to see how to speed up your Cricut Icon 3, watch this video next.